after a long night, this day is definitely going to have to start with one of these. Welcome everybody. We are back at Greenspot Farms for our traditional Halloween adventure. So before we get started, go ahead and like, comment. There's nothing to comment on yet. Like the video. Subscribe, hit that bell button so you guys don't miss out on anything. And by the way, if you guys can see this, let me see if we can find some. There's actually some wild parrots here.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Let me see, there was. Here, let's see if we can find them. Let's see if we can. Right there. Like all nested up together. Cue the music. Holly, look right here and say hi. Alright. Here we are back on the lazy river. We've definitely have not been here when it's this busy. Every time we've been here, we've been able to actually park inside of their parking lot. Today we had to park on the street. Greenspot Farms. Well, by looking at this, it looks like the actual pumpkin patch itself is pretty much picked over, but hey, we're pretty late in the season. So what do you expect? But they got a lot of pumpkins up at the front, so we'll still be getting a pumpkin today. Got a little, I guess this would be a pony, right?
Same size as last year, so maybe not.
The little pony. This guy's been here every year since we've started coming here.
There's another one in the house. Over here.
Come on, pork chop.
Want to see the big horses?
Yep, they must be hot.
Crispy bacon.
Crispy bacon? Crispy bacon?
Yes.
So they're doing horse rides. Last year they had this thing pretty much for the entire
What are you doing, Mom?
horse ride. But it looks like they might have some vendors or something over here this year.
He ran away.
So let's go check it out. So this back here, what I thought might have been some vendors, actually looks like a baby shower. So I'm gonna turn around and make like a tree and get out of here. Anybody up for a game of cornhole? Everybody wants to stop and see
Look at how cute
the bunny
they are.
rabbits.
Look at only three. There's only
Oh, they
three.
look like they're hot.
They look so cute though. They're only three. I like the one with the white and the black with the ears.
You just described all three of them, Holly.
Daddy's gonna let me use the GoPro today, guys.
Huh?
Daddy's gonna let me use the GoPro today.
The GoPro?
That's how I can say it. But it's my first time using it though.
All right. Look at the teeth on that guy. Hate to get bit by that. This is the one that last year, I don't know if it's in the video or not, but Holly called this one Mama Coco. Because she had a little baby chicken that was this color that she named Mama Coco, but chickens are so messy we had to get rid of them.
No, we had to get rid of it too because we got a husky. So we got a husky and that's why we had to get rid of them, but still, they're still messy. So please don't get a ticket.
Get some more goats. Oh, I just noticed a little donkey up there. Pretty nice looking donkey. Must be a baby. Brains. No, but anyways, I stand corrected. There's actually quite a few pumpkins still left out here. It looks like they've taken them off the vine. Might be getting one off or out of the pumpkin patches here. So when I wasn't recording, Pee-wee ate it in the dirt. So that's why her
So she fell. Because dirt here, she fell. So the dirt here, be careful. Make sure you don't run. Cause you'll slip pretty easy.
yeah, that's why her sleeves are rolled up now. Say hi, Pee-wee.
See, dirt never hurt anyone.
Come on, rush it. No one, let's go do the pointing.
Don't get me!
Okay, August.
Come on, so you got this. Our legs are shaking.
Her body's shaking.
No, don't go on your stomach.
Paisley don't even like heights. So she's taking one for the team. Catch her, Holly. Catch her.
Let's go.
Let her go. Okay, so right here is the spot where Brittany and Holly take a picture every year. Brittany actually has a picture of herself. I mean, I have a picture of Brittany standing right here when she's pregnant with Holly. So every year since we're here, they just come and update the picture. Okay, so now I'm gonna have Holly walk through the maze, and we're gonna switch over to the Holly cam. I'm gonna give her the GoPro, and she's gonna run through the maze, and we can see what she sees. Right?
Yes.
All right, here you go.
You want me to go ahead of him? The kids? Yeah. Hold on. All right, keep going.
Girls, can you stop?
What do you want? I'll go ahead of him.
You got it, Holly?
Yep. So here's mommy. Here's grandma.
Guys, get to the side.
Sorry about that, man.
Oh, you're good, man.
Come on, Sissy.
As long as I'm not good.
You talking?
Yes, I am. So right here, we can't go this way. So let's take this way. And mommy's going.
Down the corn maze, kiddo.
Let's take this way. The corn maze, that's cool. Can't go that way.
Can't go that way.
When it's blocked off, you can't go. Let's let people go by.
Oh, Dad, the GoPro died.
No, it's still
No,
on.
you're good.
Okay.
Holly thought the GoPro died.
Go.
Point it in the right direction, you'll be alright.
Paisley, where you going? What way you want to go, Holly?
This way.
Bye, Paisley.
Holly, that's a doorway. Open way.
Close the way. Yes, it is.
Maybe I could leave her in that.
Yeah.
Then change it to Walmart or Target or wherever else we're going.
There's the way open. We'll go that way?
Nope, this way go.
All round.
Did we do it?
There's the end.
I want to say
I hope
Penny.
you're not pointing that at the ground, sweetheart.
I'm not.
Wait.
Let's go say Pennywise, guys. Not Penny. No, Mom, I'm scared.
So we're gonna go back and check this little side corner out that was not here last year. At least I don't remember it being here.
And I just hear, huh. And what the heck is this?
I don't know. What is this? Help bring me home. We got
No Pennywise.
pictures of missing kids. I don't know if this is real or something they just made up.
No, I'm scared.
You could definitely smell these Christmas. I don't know, these Christmas trees?
Yeah, they
Just
are
overgrown?
pine trees, baby.
Well, you
Yeah,
could.
they're scary
def-
things.
You're
please.
fine. You're fine. This guy here looks like Charlie Bucket.
Dad, please can we not go that way? I am scared, Mom.
What? Michael Myers meets Jason?
Yeah, this is my.
Wow. Talking about bringing two nightmares together.
Oh, babe.
No.
Oh, stop. You know that was an accident.
Wow, I'm scared.
Come on this way.
Please, I am
So I don't know. That's the end? What's the point of this?
Dad, I am scared of creepy things.
Okay, so, oh, okay.
I'm scared of creepy things.
Yep.
So scary. I
Charlie
hate
Bucket
it.
again.
I'm just.
Well, they're really trying to find this guy.
And I hate it. It's just.
Oh.
I hate it. It's just so scary.
This is actually pretty awesome. This little house or whatever it is that we're in is kind of leaning. Time to float. Pennywise. We all lie. You lie, we all float. Okay, I see it now. You lie, we all float. I was trying to read this standard left to right, top to bottom, and it didn't make sense. I was like, what? You lie, we all float.
What is this supposed to be from?
I guess it's supposed to be from It. I haven't seen it yet.
Look at the fridge.
Yeah, I know. See, is that open? Oh yeah, is there anything cool in there?
No.
Mom, it's just all ran down.
So. Oh.
Look at
It's dirty in here. So.
Charlie Buckets in color.
Right there, right there. And
Looks
there's
like
dead zombies
Pennywise
there.
likes little Caesars.
And it's
Stop scaring her.
scaring me too.
Alright, so like I said, I'm not really a big fan of Pennywise, so let's see what the piggery is. Oh, and it's locked.
Wait,
Oh, so
let's go over that way.
This is another maze.
Let's go over there. Go in here, guys. Come on.
I want to see how we get over here.
To here.
Actually,
Oh, I know.
it's not going to be that hard, so we'll just
Yeah, tell 'em.
cut a path.
The zombie doesn't even actually scare me. So here's a zombie and a spider. And a little
There's
baby.
big gold in them there mountains.
Look at that. And here's Daddy right now.
Yeah, and there's Holly
And it's so creepy.
with the Holly cam.
Creepy. Guys, it is so creepy here. I am freaking out. Please comment down below if you don't like zombies or scary things.
She's a better YouTuber than I am.
Yes, I am. I'm a better kid. And look, and there's people. And of course, I'm the much who talks a lot. Remember that?
Yep.
I talk a lot.
Sure do.
And here's a dead zombie, but that one's really creepy.
Look at the grandma.
Oh,
Room
another
13.
spider.
Alright, so that's just about it for Greenspot Farms. Kids are going to pick out their pumpkins, and then we're going to go up to Forest Falls, just like we did last year. So we'll be releasing that video exactly a week after we release this one, which will be probably the Tuesday before Halloween. And I still have quite a few, or I'd say like 2 or 3 videos from abandoned George Air Force Base. They're already recorded and uploaded. I just haven't released them yet. You know, releasing schedule. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys don't miss out on any of our adventures. Thanks for watching.